Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Bhima Shankar Pujari. Today I am performing email automation. So firstly I am going to create one process that I already created, that is read mails. So it's opening, it's taking time for due to your internet connection. So wait some minutes. So now it's opened, and in the left side of the UI path here is a activity. So in activity, go to project and check the main XML file, and I am checking that. So in project, so here is a main XML. So it's I am opening. So open main XML. In main XML whole activity will be recorded. So it's opened. Now I am searching for flowchart. In activity panel here is a search button, and go to search, there is a flowchart. After searching the flowchart, here double click on flowchart, it will be dragged on main file. So now go to flowchart and double click on that, it's opened. After that, search for get IMAP mail messages. So now I am searching get IMAP mail messages, and I am recently used that, so that's why it's coming in recents. So open it and attach to the start. Get mail, get IMAP mail messages is connected to start. So I am taking once again by fault. Now it's showing some errors. To modify that some errors, you have to check the properties, that is the right side of the UI path. So here is a property, I am checking that. So in property there is a need some corrections. So my mail folder, there is a inbox, I am using inbox as it is. And in port, you have to change the port number. So that is port number is 993. Here is a port number, so port number is 993. Hit enter. Then server, in server type the imap gmail.com. So always remember that, after always remember that every time you are writing in a string, you use double united comma. Otherwise it's showing some errors. So every time remember that double united comma is compulsory. So I am user here. So I am writing imap gmail.com. Then write your Gmail account, whichever you have, and Gmail account also write in double inverted comma. Otherwise, it will show us error. So don't mistake this error always. I am writing my Gmail account. From this Gmail account, it reads the messages. So write your Gmail account correctly, otherwise it will show some error. After writing your Gmail account, write your password also. So remember that after writing your password, you go to change your original password. Due to this video is going to upload on YouTube, so this makes some damages on your Google account. So that's why you always remember that you have to change your Gmail account. So I am also changing this Gmail account password. Hmm. Now here is output messages. Here you have one create one variable, and top for 30 means I am writing 4. So I want to read first 4 messages. So here is the sum. Only unread messages it will read, and here is a variable I am creating that. So now creating a variable, you directly use control plus key, and variable name is mail. Here is a mails variable I created. Now I am going to search for each. I am searching for each here, so in activity panel. So recently I am searched for each, and here is and I am dragging it and connecting to the get imap mail messages to for each directly connection. So after that, double click on for each, and for each I am writing mail, and here also write mails. In body of for each type argument, I am changing that object to type argument system.net.mail.mail messages. So I am typing system.net.mail.mail messages. Mail messages. Okay. Then come to the body of the for each, and here you have to debug message box. It is used for message box is used for reading the mails, and I am dropping that. In message box you have to write mail.sender or mail.server or mail.body. So mail.sender is reads the who sends the message, and that is reading. So mail.subject, it is a reading subject of the mail, and mail.body, it's reading a body of the mail. I am given that 4 mails, and that 4 mails are reading first. It is reading a senders. Now here is a variables. It's okay. Then go to the debug and debug this file. So here is a debug. So debug that. Now execution started. Mail executed started. So here is some error, that is get IMAP mail messages invalid URL, the host could not be parsed. So to modify that errors, I am going to check the property, and here is a property. So in property, inbox all is right, inbox 993 port number, IMAP mail.gmail.com is also right. So now I am missed the password. I misted that password. Now I am going to change the password. So password is wrong. So mail address is also correct. Now that password I missed that I written that I double times. So I am modifying that password. So everyone remember that after here written your password, you go and change your original password. And now execution started. Now it's successfully executed, and here is a first mail that got. I am Subhangi Pokarkar, sender is the Subhangi Pokarkar. This message sender is Subhangi Pokarkar, and now I am checking that mails. First mail is that is only, so Subhangi Pokarkar. After that, okay, then second one is also same. So I am not readed that, which are not readed that mails only opening here. So third mails are coding in Ganesh Kadam 4th. So like this I have completed successfully. Thanks for watching.